Hey everybody, my name's Alison Cox. Welcome to Tools to Change Your Life, or tools that you can use to change anything. Today's tool is a tool I use all the time, literally all the time, whether something is going good or bad, right or wrong. This will help everything shift and change into greater, no matter where it starts. That tool is called What Else is Possible? This is how it works. Most people go around concluding, looking for answers, sort of asking questions, but they want a fix. They want something to solve the problem that they have. They want everything to be going perfectly. They want to know that the choices they're making are the correct ones. Most people are looking for a predictable outcome. If you're only willing to receive the predictable outcome, you're only going to get this much of what is possible. What if there is an infinite universe that is waiting and willing to gift you everything you're asking for and more? Whenever you come to conclusion about what you need or what's going to make your life right or correct or good and perfect, you are stopping what the universe can give you. How do you change that? You ask a question. The question I love to ask, which is this tool, is what else is possible? Universe, what else is possible? Universe, I just won $500. What else is possible? Universe, I just stubbed my toe and now it's bleeding all over the floor. What else is possible? Universe, I have no idea what I want to ask for. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. It kind of seems to be just at a standstill and I'm not really sure where to go. What else is possible? When you ask what else is possible, you energetically open the door. You energetically are opening yourself to receiving more, to receiving something that you can't define, something that you can't predict, and a future that may have never existed or been possible for you before. It might not even be possible for anybody else. But when you ask for what else is possible, the whole universe begins to listen, and the universe begins to rearrange itself for you based on your question anytime you ask a question. So if you can't think of a question to ask, use this one. What else is possible here I've never considered? What else is possible I could have never predicted in 100 million trillion bazillion years? So I challenge you to use this question and see what shows up. The only thing that's going to make this tool not work for you is if you conclude what the answer is going to be, if you conclude what the gift is, if you conclude what the what else is possible is, or if you put a time limit on it. So if you add time to this question in any shape or form, it is going to take a lot longer for the what else is possible to show up. So just ask universe what else is possible and let it go. Forget about it. Go do something else and allow the universe to work for you, to work with you, to gift you things you never could have imagined. Thank you for watching. My name's Alison Cox. You can find more fun tools and tips at myacousticlife.com.